Hello my friends, welcome back to another video of Broski. Today in this video I just want to show you how to fix the problem I just got here on YouTube application or Android device, something like crashing of the app or there's a problem. Tap to retry, whatever you got here. I want to show you how to fix this all. So this time I just got this problem. This is actually one of the problems just because of the app crash. So what you're gonna do to fix this very simple. So you have to find out the setting of your Android device, then scroll all the way down to find out the apps, and then you have to just check for manage apps. So we're gonna type here to find out the YouTube. So once we got the YouTube, just click to open, and you can see we have the four sub. Just click on OK, and now what you're gonna do, just click on storage, and then you have to click over here, clear the data. First of all, you just have to use the second option, then click on OK, and after all you're gonna just use this one to delete all your data just here on your YouTube just collected in the storage of your Android device. So once we're done this, all exit from the setting of your Android device, then restart your phone. So we're gonna restart our Android device, then we're gonna check one more setup just got here on our Android device to fix this kind of problems you got here on your YouTube. And swipe up to open your Android device and check out for the Play Store of your phone, then type here on the search, I'm in the YouTube. So once we got the YouTube, we just go check for any update just come out here on your application. So if you got that, you just have to update it. If you don't have it, it will be fixed by that setups you have done here on your Android device. So we're gonna open it, and here you can see the problem has been solved and my YouTube's working great. So this is all how to fix your problems in your YouTube. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button. See you until next quick tutorial videos. Bye bye my friends, peace.